and you can crop it.
Yep. Hi, this video is going to show you how to remove your account if you're getting the error where you have logged in on Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Creative Cloud on your Chromebook. So we have figured it out. The problem is that we thought you were supposed to sign in with continue with Google on your Chromebook, but actually it's Adobe ID. But you can't change that because now your account is set solid to use your continue with Google. So what we have to do is remove your account from the Chromebook and then add it back on and then re-sign back in with the Adobe ID. So I have a student here and we are going to walk you through the steps to removing your account so that you can then get the programs. And this will work because we just tested it a few minutes ago with another student. So first we are going to sign out. So you're going to go to the bottom right and you're going to sign out. This might take a second and then it's going to bring us back to the home screen or the sign-in screen with your accounts. So it'll take a few minutes, but it will work, and then you will be able to have access to the Adobe Photoshop apps. Okay, so now, at this point, you're gonna go to the arrow next to your name. Up there. Yep. And then you're gonna say, remove account, and then say, remove account. This is gonna take a minute or two. Or maybe it won't take a minute or two. Just so we clicked remove account, right?
Yeah.
And, oh, so nobody else is signed in. That's why it looks like this. The other one, there was somebody else signed in. So if there's somebody else signed in, you have to click add new account. But if it looks like this and you were the only one signed in, then you can just go forward from here. So now go ahead and enter your Google School account email.
Okay.
Hi, Nina. We're actually just figuring out the Adobe Photoshop thing right now. I'm making a video, so it's just gonna be a couple minutes, so you guys are just gonna hang tight, okay? Okay, so you put the email in. Mm-hmm. Wait till it loads.
Mr. Green, I'll see you later.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, like I said, whatever, you know,
All right.
it's up to you.
Awesome.
But yeah, awesome.
All right.
Have a good weekend.
You too.
Rest up. See you later. Get started. And then now we are going to go to your Play Store at the bottom. If you don't have the Play Store, you're just going to click and open your options of what apps you have, and it should be there. But once the Play Store shows, you can click that and go in. Isabel, can you shut that door for me? Thank you. Okay, where are we here? So, well, it's loading the Google Store. Yeah. Okay, and it might take a minute because we're loading here in the one of the other art rooms. The reception sometimes isn't that great, so it's just taking a minute.
Really, it's taking its time.
Okay, so now once you're in here, now you can just choose a program and it should automatically re-download it, so you can click Photoshop. And now here's where the difference is going to be, and this is where we took a wrong turn and it basically sets up the wrong type of account for your Chromebook. So before you would click continue with Google. Now you are not going to do that for your Chromebook only, and possibly actually maybe your phone. I think your phone might also be continue with Adobe ID. So you're going to choose Adobe ID. Right now it's installing, so it might take a minute. Now we can go ahead and open it. And go scroll through the prompts, the intro. Okay, now click Adobe ID. And then you're going to use your, Google School login. So you're going to go put your Google School email in again. If you guys could log on to your Chromebooks when you get a minute. Okay, let me see that. So we put our Google School email in. Now it's going to ask you for a personal account or company or school account. You're going to choose company or school account. Now you're going to sign in one more time
Okay.
with your school email Google account. For those of you guys who just started the class, go ahead. I noticed that the document in the portfolio prep class, where you're going to put your first project ideas and materials, go ahead and work on that now. I put it back at the top of the portfolio prep page, and make your text a different color. Okay, so you got your Google email password. We're going to go ahead and hit save. And now, I think, go ahead and hit dismiss. Need storage permission, say okay. Because you're going to be able to save. Allow Photoshop to access photos, yes. And now you should be good. And now you're in the program and you should be able to work. So that's it for if you had the error state, email me, or if you have any questions or get stuck at any part. Thanks.